On this bright morning of August 15, 2025, India awakes to celebrate its 79th Independence Day, a day echoing the pride, unity, and spirit of our nation. Today, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, every corner resounds with patriotic fervor, honoring the enduring legacy of our freedom struggle. 78 years ago, India broke free from over 2 centuries of British rule. The air was electric as at midnight on August 15, 1947, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, stood before the nation and proclaimed India's historic tryst with destiny. His words marked the dawn of a new era where hope blossomed from sacrifices of countless freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Patel, Subhas Chandra Bose. From grand ceremonies at Red Fort to modest gatherings in schools and homes, today every Indian stands beneath the tricolor, saffron for courage, white for peace, green for growth, and Ashoka for progress. This year's theme, Naya Bharat, reflects our dream for a prosperous and secure nation by 2047, a drive towards a developed India as we honor the past and embrace the future. Across the country, special guests like sanitation worker are recognized for their vital contributions, reminding us that every citizens shape India's destiny. As the Prime Minister raises the flag and addresses the nation, let us remember the past and the spirit of freedom is not just about the past, but our everyday actions. Independence Day is a call to unity, to progress, and to share responsibility. As we celebrate, may every heart beat with gratitude for our heroes and with ambition to build a Navya Bharat. Jai Hind.